Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on solving multiplication problems using arrays. Our first example problem is 4 times 5. We're going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So when you see multiplication, I want you to think groups with a certain amount in each group. So 4 times 5, think 4 groups of 5. So if I wanted to solve this problem using an array, I would draw a total of, well, we don't know what the total is going to be yet, but I would draw a certain object in 4 rows, and I would put 5 in each row. So the object could be anything. It could be circles, it could be X's, it could be dots, it could be tallies. For the first example, I'll do X's. So I'm going to make X's. I'm going to make 4 rows of X's. I'm going to make 5 in each row. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1 row of 5 X's. Could even put a circle around it so it separates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I now have a second row of 5 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a third row of 5 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I now have a fourth row of 5 X's. So I now have 4 rows of 5. Now to find the answer, I have to count the total number of X's. Welcome to the chat. Please hit the like button. I am so glad you're here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The person in the chat was correct. Shout out to him or her. 4 times 5 equals 20. Thanks so much. I appreciate that. All right, next example. I'll do a simple one. So for the next 2 arrays, I'll make dots. There's something you need to be careful on if you make arrays using dots, though, and I'm going to point that out here. So whenever you make an array, whatever you make the array of, you want to make sure there's equal distance in between each object or each picture. Because if they're too close together, it's very easy to miscount. But 2 times 2, so I'm going to make 2 rows of 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could put circles around each of the rows to make them stand out a little more. It's not required. But I have 2 rows of 2. And I have to count the total amount of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Now let's say I have 3 times 10, so I need 3 groups of 10. Now here's where dots can get tricky. I want to show you something. So let's say I'm going to make an array of dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, this is where kids, you often mess up. I just wanted to show you this. If you're making your dots too close together, it is very easy to miscount. So if you're making your dots really close together and you start counting and you actually are touching the dots with the marker, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can accidentally make an extra dot, and that makes it very, very difficult. So that's why I would be very, very careful using dots. If you are going to use dots and make an array of dots, I would say make sure it's distinguishable and there's an equal amount of space in between each one. All right, so now I'm going to show you the right way to do it where it's not too close together. Some people in the chat put what the answer is. I have a feeling they're right. Well, I know they're right, but let's see. Let's actually do it out for the students that want to see it done out. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's two groups of 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's three groups of 10. And again, you could draw a circle around each group to make it stand out more, or you can just do it in the rows. Either way it works. And now I'm going to count the total amount. Three groups of 10, 10 in each group. I'm counting the total amount of dots now to find our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 3 times 10 equals 30. All right, next example. Somebody in the chat said 76 times 45. Let me screenshot that. I will do a live stream where I model how to solve that problem, but we are focused on single-digit multiplication right now with arrays, so I do want to stay on topic. I will do a live stream on 2 digits, though. Seven times 3, so I'll use tallies for this next one. So 7 groups with 3 in each group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, that's one group. 1, 2, 3, that's 2 groups. 1, 2, 3, that's 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, that's 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, that's 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, that's 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, so 7 groups of 3. And again, you can draw a circle around each group to make sure you have the correct amount of groups. It's not necessary, but it definitely can help. All right, so now we have to find the total number of x's. We have our 7 groups of 3. We need to find the total. Here we go. So I'm counting the total number of x's now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 7 times 3 equals 21. Definitely take your time with this. I gotta say, I counted a little fast. I would definitely recommend counting a little bit slower than I just did. And you can always count a second time and count a third time. Really make sure you get the right answer. Most important thing is to get the answer correct. Don't worry too much about speed here. All right, 2 times 8. So that means we have 2 groups of 8. All right, so for this one, I'm going to use tallies. So I'm going to make 2 groups of tallies, and I'm going to put 8 in each group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one group of 8 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2 groups of 8 tallies. So I have my 2 groups of 8. Now I have to count to find the total. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have our final answer. No, it's not pre-recorded. We are live. 2 times 8 equals 16. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off. Thank you so much for subscribing.